Using the skills and talents developed over a lifetime or developing new ones are just some of the chances retired residents of Polk County have. One such program is the Retired and Senior Volunteer Program. RSVP is one of the largest volunteer networks in the nation that features people 55 and older. RSVP volunteers choose how, where, and how often they want to serve, with commitments ranging from a few hours to 40 hours per week. More details are coming up on Polk Place. Welcome to Polk Place. I'm your host, Tina Mann, and joining me here in the studio today is Kathy Drainfield. She is the new RSVP coordinator here in Polk County.
Hi, Tina.
Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Well, you are newly at the helm in your position over there. You've been there about a month?
Yeah, a little over a month, about 6 weeks.
About 6 weeks already. Time flies.
Yes.
Why don't you tell us a little bit about your background?
Okay, I actually, for the last about 14 years, have worked for the county as a case manager in elderly services. So in that time, very well aware of the needs in the community that is out there, and am very excited to be taking on this new role as the RSVP coordinator and being able to work on the other end of the spectrum with people who are able to meet some of those needs in a volunteer capacity.
Why don't you tell us a little bit about RSVP?
Okay, RSVP is the Retired and Senior Volunteer Program. It's one of 3 programs that make up the Senior Corps, which is a part of the Corporation of National and Community Service at the national level. The RSVP program works to promote volunteering amongst individuals who are 55 and older, may or may not be retired, but who draw from their life experiences to work within the community in volunteer capacities. Through that, we have different organizations, nonprofit organizations throughout the county that we have agreements with, who have positions that are open, and we interview our clients to determine, or our potential volunteers rather, to determine what areas they have interest in based on their life experiences, and then we assign them to those positions at those various organizations throughout the county.
So some of the organizations are like the RSVP Telltellers. Why don't you tell us a little bit about those? Actually,
Telltellers is a signature program of RSVP, and we work in collaboration with the Polk County School Board. We have volunteers are trained through the county's Polk County School Board's volunteer training as well, and then they are assigned to different kindergarten classes throughout the Title I schools within Polk County, and they go in however many times a week they have set up, and they read to the kindergarten classes. Many of them may dress up in costume, and they pick their favorite stories, and they input their personalities into the story. So they're not just reading a story, they're kind of interacting with the students to teach them a love of reading and to try to improve their literacy skills.
I know there's one of the volunteers who is famous for bringing in her puppets.
Yes.
And reading with the kids. What other type of organizations do you partner with?
We we actually have over 20 active partnerships at this time. We have a partnership with the Lake Wells Care Center and the VISTI program out of Lakeland. We have volunteers who drive for them to deliver home delivered meals through their home delivered meal programs. We have, we work a lot of volunteers with the CERTs and the CAP programs, which are programs that operate with the Sheriff's Department and the county storm for disaster preparedness and relief efforts after a natural disaster.
Right, like CERT is the Certified Emergency Response Team.
Yes.
And of course, your CAP is your Citizen Assistant Patrol.
Yes.
People you see like out on, the Polk, what's the trail here? Fort Fraser Trail, keeping an eye out on things.
Yes.
So it sounds like there's a lot of really good opportunities for volunteers. And I know you guys provide training for each individual area, correct?
Yes, we do a pre-orientation when volunteers come and express an interest, and then once they are assigned to a station, then they go through training with that station for the specific assignment that they've been attached to.
And RSVP actually falls under the Volunteer Polk umbrella, but is a separate entity, right?
Yes.
Okay. Anything else that people would like to know about RSVP?
We need volunteers, so anybody out there who's 55 and older and has an interest, and we have specific focus areas that we try to target: education, environmental stewardship, economic development opportunity, healthy futures, and military families and personnel. But we also do have some areas where we're able to focus on specific needs within our community. And we do have currently another signature program of RSVP, which is called Bone Builders, and it is a part of the Healthy Futures focus. It is an exercise program that is designed to eliminate and lessen the effects of osteoporosis for elderly people. And we are looking to launch this program in September, mid-September. And we are currently looking for people who are interested in going through the training to lead these classes. So we need RSVP volunteers to lead the classes through different locations throughout the county. We also need people who want to participate. So anyone who's interested in participating can contact our office too, and we will be starting that enrollment process soon.
Right, and that's important because as people age, their bone density decreases and their risk of osteoporosis and other illnesses related to osteoporosis increase as well. And one of the best ways they can combat that is through exercise that is weight specific, that uses their body weight and resistance to increase that bone density. So,
exactly.
So that's a very good program. So you said they're going to try to have them at several different locations?
We currently have 2 confirmed locations, and we're working to procure some other locations throughout the county and hope to build it. But we have 2 in place for sure, and we're looking for leaders. But anyone in any area of the county that is interested in being a leader for that program, give us a call, and we'll get them through that training and start that process.
So is calling the best way for potential volunteers to connect with the program?
They can call, or they can email us, and we will probably be out in the community at different health fairs and things like that, and you may find us there as well. But we do have a email and a website.
Okay, yeah, if they want to go to the website, they just go to polkcounty.net, and if they look under our community, I think they can go to volunteer opportunities, and there'll be a little square that says RSVP.
Yes.
And that will give them some of the information they need.
Yes.
So is there anything else that you're hoping to bring to the table or that you're thinking about doing with RSVP?
I'm very excited as I've been learning about the grant and all of the opportunities available to begin planning for our more long-term and some new areas that we may want to begin to build in some programs into, and just building our volunteer base and improving on the programs we already have in place and just kind of making them a little stronger and reaching out and meeting the needs within our community.
And growing that membership and reaching out to more people.
Very much, yes.
Well, welcome to Polk County and welcome to RSVP, and thank you so much for coming out today.
Thank you very much, Tina.
The Retired and Senior Volunteer Program, also known as RSVP, provides a wide range of important community services in areas such as homeland security, public safety, health, education, the environment, and elder care. Volunteers may tutor children in reading and math, assist with natural disasters, help build homes, model parenting skills to teen parents, participate in neighborhood watch programs, plan community gardens, deliver meals, or help community organizations operate more efficiently. Bone Builders is a new program planned to launch in September, which is an exercise and education class designed to build bone density and fight the effects of osteoporosis in aging adults. They are currently looking for volunteers to lead the classes and individuals who wish to participate in the classes. Whatever your interest and background, there is certainly an RSVP opportunity to match. For more information on RSVP, call 863-534-5249 or look them up on the web at polk-county.net.